Hello everyone! Thank you for applying for volunteer work. I will summarize and explain what you need to do at the 2020 IYF Lanka Online World Camp. So, this is what you have to do before the camp. First, promote World Camp. It is to promote to people around you by using social media such as your Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and WhatsApp. Second, participating in the World Camp Dance Challenge. Let's watch the video. This dance is BTS Dynamite Dance Challenge. After filming this dance, post it with the essential hashtag on Instagram and point out the next 2 people to spread the dance challenge. Lastly, volunteers are going to attend a volunteer workshop like today. The reason why you have to attend the volunteer workshop is that I can give you some information about the World Camp and what you need to do and have time to socialize with other volunteers. Next is what you have to do during the World Camp. First, enter each class as a captain. Class captain need to manage their students and use screen sharing features during afternoon programs like scavenger hunt or scavenger hunt. So all of you guys need to be fully understand about this. Second, working as a monitoring agent during the camp. I will explain in detail on the next slide. Lastly, you have to participate in the World Camp event. So, what is monitoring agent? The monitoring agent sincerely participates in all programs during the World Camp and submits feedback Google Forms. The World Camp consists of various programs because there are as many deficiencies as there are various. Feedback from monitoring personnel is very needed. So all volunteers should concentrate on the World Camp program. So next, the most important thing you should care about is first, promoting. Second, participation in the camp. Third, and playing the role of class captain. So, did you everyone understand? Okay, thank you. So, I will conclude the volunteer briefing. If you have any question, please feel free to ask WhatsApp. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nui, and I will explain afternoon program guidebook. So, in this program, we'll be having totals of 3 programs. First one will be scavenger hunt, my recreation, and K-pop contest. Next, I will show you the timetable. So as you can see, Friday on the 25th, we'll be having scavenger hunt from 5 to 6 p.m. Saturday on the 26th will be my recreations, and Sunday on the 27th will be K-pop contest. Next one, I will show you how to rename. So when entering Zoom, always change the name as follows. So if your team name is Truth1, you have to rename your team to T for Truth and then -1 and then your name, which is Eugene Chong. So how to rename? If you're using the phone, first you have to download the app. And then once you download the app, you have to sign up. So through that you can rename. So rename, you have to click on participant. Once you click on participant, then it will lead to another page. So when you see this page, you have to click on the arrow on your name. So once you click on the arrow, this will pop out. So you have to rename, click on rename. Once you click on rename, you have to rename your name to your team number, team name and team number and your name. So first your name is Eugene, right? Now you're gonna rename to T-1 and then your name and last name. And then I'm gonna show you how to rename if you're using a laptop. First, you have to click on participant. Once you click on participant, you have to click more. So once you click more, the rename will show up. So you have to click on rename. So once you click on rename, you have to rename your name to your team and number and your first and last name. And then this is how I will show you how to rename completely on your phone. So if you want to rename your name completely, and if you're using this method, if you're using this method that I'm telling you now, every time when you zoom in, you don't have to change it. The name was set always remained. So first, you have to click on setting. Once you click on setting, you have to click on, once you click on setting, click on profile. Once you click on profile, you have to click on display name. So when you click on display name, it will pop out your edited name. And so you have to change your last name to your team number, and then you have to change your first name to your team and team number. Last name, change to your first and last name. And then once you change, you have to, so after you change your name, you have to click OK. So that way it will change completely. Alright, and then next I will show you how to rename completely through the laptop. So if you're using a laptop, then this is how you will rename completely. First, you have to click on meeting tab. So once you click on the meeting tab, then you click on the profile. This is going to be your profile. And then once you click on the profile, you have to click on the setting. And then once you click on the setting, then you have to go to profile, click profile tab, and then you have to click edit my profile. And then once you click edit my profile, another window will pop out. And will be a window where it will lead you to Zoom. And then once the Zoom pop out, you have to click login. So once you log in, then you have to click on profile tab. So after you click profile tab, you have to click edit. And then this will lead you to edit your name. So to edit your name, last name, you have to change to Eugene Zhong. Change to your name. First name, you have to change to your team and then team number. And so after you change it, then you have to click OK, and then through this, it will change completely. So, Zoom breakout room. During the afternoon program, Scavenger Hunt and My Recreation, we will be using breakout rooms. And breakout rooms features. It is a group discussions that the same group name will be sent into a new Zoom for discussions. So, what is breakout rooms? So in the main sessions, you have your own group name. Example, group 1, 2, 3, or 4. And with the same number group, you will be sent out to breakout room 1 or breakout room 2, depending on your team number. So, really important, before to enter the breakout room, please change the name, team name, and plus your name. And then the host will distribute team members to breakout rooms by team. So when the host assign room, it will just automatically move to another room Zoom. And this is really important. So you have to keep this in mind. Now, this thing you have to watch out for. Example, when we moved you to a breakout rooms, and when we get back together in the main sessions, you have to stay still because it will just move you automatic, okay? And then also please be patient when you go to the main room, to the breakout room. It just really depends on your internet speed. So when you go to the breakout rooms, if it's just suddenly turn off, don't be panicking, okay? All you have to do is just click on the Zoom link and then come back again. And then share screen functions. This is also really important. So during the afternoon program, scavenger hunt, you have to use share screen function. So if you're not familiar with how to use this feature, you will be unable to participate in the afternoon program missions. So this share screen function, only one person can use this function. Maybe it can be the captain or it can be the team leader. So scavenger hunt will be watching through YouTube videos with all the team members. The one person has to use this feature to solve the problems. And how to use share screen in the breakout rooms. So first you have to click on share screen. Once you click on that, you have to click on the screen and then make sure to click optimize with share screen computer sound and optimize screen sharing for video clip. Finally, then click share to share the screen. And this is also really important. You have to keep this in mind. Make sure you share computer sound and optimize screen sharing for video clip. Press and share the video. If you're in charge of sharing the screen, please do it in a place where the internet environment is stable. And then don't forget to share the computer sound, optimize screen sharing. And then once you're done with that, then you click share. So how to use share screen and breakout rooms through breakout rooms. If it is necessary to view the team members' faces together while looking at the full screen, optimize screen sharing for video clip should be turned off. It is possible after stopping the share screen. So also look out for when share the video, you must click optimize. Otherwise, the video will be disconnected. And then that should be the end of it, of the guidebook, of the afternoon guidebook. Thank you.
Hello everyone! Okay, from now on, I explain the scavenger hunt, which is the exciting part of the word game. Please be aware of the explanation that I will give you from now on. In today's OT video, I will instruct the game and explain how to play it. Okay, first, what is scavenger hunt? This is the representative game of IYF where team members can get closer by completing missions step by step. When you play a game, what time has passed already? Oh my god! There are so many fun games prepared that you can say that. You can look forward to it, okay? The theme of this scavenger hunt is Mission Impossible in searching of pieces happiness. It is an online world trip to find happiness in our lives, where happiness has disappeared. When you play games, you can feel the culture and atmosphere of the country to point where you are confused whether you are in your room or traveling the country. The platform used for scavenger hunt is Zoom. I'm sure you know how to use it, but I will show you the features you need for this scavenger hunt. It is screen sharing. The person in charge of screen sharing, please come out and explain for us.
And then share screen functions. This is also really important. So during the afternoon program, scavenger hunt, you have to use share screen function. So if you're not familiar with how to use this feature, you will be unable to participate in the afternoon program missions. So this share screen function, only one person can use this function. Maybe it can be the captain or it can be the team leader. So scavenger hunt will be watching through YouTube videos with all the team members. The one person has to use this feature to solve the problems. And how to use share screen in the breakout rooms. So first, you have to click on share screen. Once you click on that, you have to click on the screen and then make sure to click optimize with share screen, computer sound, and optimize screen sharing for video clip. Finally, then click share to share the screen. And this is also really important. You have to keep this in mind. Make sure you share computer sound and optimize screen sharing for video clip. Press and share the video. If you're in charge of sharing the screen, please do it in a place where the internet environment is stable. And then don't forget to share the computer sound, optimize screen sharing. And then once you're done with that, then you click share. So, how to use share screen and breakout rooms through breakout rooms. If it is necessary to view the team members' faces together while looking at the full screen, optimize screen sharing for video clip should be turned off. It is possible after stopping the share screen. So also look out for when share the video, you must click optimize. Otherwise, the video will be disconnected. And then that should be the end of it, of the guidebook, of the afternoon guidebook. Thank you.
Okay, now I explain game rules. 1. Stay in Zoom 30 minutes before the scavenger hunt starts. All teachers and volunteers should instruct students in each class to prepare for the games 30 minutes before the start. It's the most important part. And 2. When it's time to start the game, volunteers share the PPT under the direction of teacher. When you instruct it to start the game, volunteers share PPT and play the game right away. And 3. Volunteers solve problems with students by sharing screen. And 4. Submit the correct answer to the teacher in a Zoom chat. The answer to the question can be a sentence, a photo, a video, act. So please upload to the correct format in the Zoom chat room for each question, okay? And 5. If correct, move on to the next slide. And last 6. The first team to complete the mission to the end wins. The mission is a total of 0 questions, and the team that complete the mission first wins. The winner will begin the prize, so please do your best. Okay, I hope you all participate actively, okay? Lastly, let me tell you about the materials. Please participate as much as possible on your laptop, and teachers and the class captain must use your laptop. If the class captain doesn't have a laptop, please replace it with a student with a laptop. And please play the game in a good network environment. And last, prepare paper and pencil. Yes, I hope you enjoyed today's scavenger hunt after finish the OT video. And happiness all over world is your hands. Mission impossible! Everyone, I wish you a good luck. Bye!